Welcome to the channel where we discuss tips, strategies, and product listing ideas for dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops. My name is Nathan Isaac, and in this video, we'll dive into the top 4 family categories you should focus on for dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops. But before we get started, make sure to leave us a comment below and let us know which dropshipping items you've had success with. Okay, let's get into the list. The first category to consider is baby and kid items. Strollers, baby gates, high chairs, and swings are best sellers in this category, but you should also consider items such as books, clothing, and cribs, as well as maternity items. Category number 2, health and beauty. Personal care products are always in style, and you simply can't go wrong listing these high-profit items. Subcategories to consider are soaps, lotions, and skincare, as well as makeup, perfumes, and appliances such as straighteners and hair dryers. In future videos, we'll be diving into this and other categories even more to reveal several items that have made us thousands of dollars in profit dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. Number 3, pet supplies. Pet owners are passionate about these adorable additions to their family, and rightfully so, making this a perfect opportunity for you as a dropshipper to turn their passion into profit. Treats, pet carriers, and kennels are just a few ideas to get you started, but items in this category are absolutely limitless. Our fourth family category is toys and games. Whether it's board games for Friday night or a game of cornhole while camping, help keep your customers occupied and entertained while they cherish family time and make lasting memories. I hope these categories have helped to inspire some ideas about what to list for sale in your dropshipping business. But if you'd like to skip all of the guesswork of choosing which items to list and instead have the power to pinpoint only the best-selling, most profitable items inside any category with one click, I'd like to invite you to check out the powerful product research tool on FBMFOX, which you can try out absolutely free by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out these other videos on Facebook Marketplace dropshipping.